Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, you have a lot of pepper here.
I just a little time out of my house them because I'm a security officer too.
Oh.
Them call me Al Preston up a Everton where I come from, see? Rugi.
Alright,
my original
people.
name is Devon Barnes, see it? Cucumber,
Yeah.
callaloo, pop show, and my spinach and my ginger. And I just make my green juice. Right? Give me energy and I pump up them volume.
For real.
Enough of them last in a Babylon.
For real.
But it's a true and nice King Selassie as the Royal Highness. I have to do the thing.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you don't know, it's all about the black, green and gold, Jamaica. When we say Jamaica, we mean patois, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm on a plantation right now, yeah, with Sir Devon. He have a lot of names, so when I reach to him, he gonna give us all his names. So you don't know, it's all about a green farm here. You have a lot of things on the farm here, you know what I mean? As I can see. Yes, sweet potato and everything. So, what? You have also scallion. So listen, my people. We're not gonna wait. We're gonna go right onto it. All right, viewers and subscribers. We're on the farm with Devon. All right, check this out.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, you have a lot of pepper here.
And I just a little.
Alright?
I just a little time out of my house them because I'm a security officer too.
Alright.
I just spend like a couple times from like in the morning till like 2 o'clock.
Sure.
You know me have to go up on the evening work and thing, and this it become
For real?
just a couple hours out a day.
Yeah.
What it become, this is just the start of it.
For real, man, we have to plant, my people. Yeah, so Devon, give them your names now, because you have a lot of names, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
them call me cream soda. That's how I used to do delivery.
Oh.
Them call me Al Preston up a Everton where I come from, see? Rugi.
Alright,
My original
people.
name is Devon Barnes, see it?
Alright, Sir Devon. Yeah?
We have some scallion runners, so this is just a little sneak out when we just start, and you can see me just start blow it out.
Yeah.
Come with it.
Yes, my people. He said this is just a little sneak, eh? Look beautiful, ain't it? Look at this pumpkin here. My God, so he's over here now. Yeah? He's over here now. You have a lot of things over here also. Sir Devon, now play with it.
Alright, well, I have like about 300 whole big pumpkin.
Yeah.
I go clean down the piece of grass and when them grow up, go and send them through it.
For real?
Right, this is just my little scallion farm. I just drop them through the hallelujah in between.
Jesus! The callaloo, man, in my fast shoe. Come buy out the pop show and the callaloo. Yeah!
Well, a nice little root of time coming there in the scallion and see.
Yes, I.
Okra, callaloo, scallion. Over here to now, have a little line of cassava down the line there.
Cassava.
Yeah. I use it fence the place like, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of goat come through, so I have to just go and secure it. Yeah, as I can see me plant out them little pumpkin over there. So
Yeah.
I want a truckload of pumpkins, so I go and set them and see if there's some good breed of pumpkin in there, you know.
Yeah, for real. So you go get rid of them grass there.
Yeah, man, them grass are soon gone, you know.
For real, man.
Come I go right down to them dry stick down there, so.
Okay.
To them tree after the pumpkin can go and run up and down and beer, see?
Yes,
I
sir.
just need, you know, just eat land for run and beer, see?
For real, and it start to push out. Yeah, pumpkin is here, my viewers.
6 days ago, 5 to 6 days, my plan, you know, and germinate already.
Yeah, callaloo look nice. Scallion look nice. My viewers. Yeah, it is a lovely farm here.
Just have started, so some couple of hours, me have all coconut tree, I roll for dry and see all the dry and drop that.
Yeah,
And go and cook a little
dry as rice and peas.
natural, you know. Yeah.
Natural is the mystic. The mystic is natural.
Alright, we are going to have to go make a next couple. I don't know if you can manage the mud here.
Oh, alright, make we see what they go on now.
Right time, a little starfish, you know.
Okay.
Through the rain and things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because I love the rain and the go on, you know.
I want my lemongrass, you know, to make your plant herbs for next year.
Yeah, lemongrass, you don't know.
Spice.
It's one spice, yeah. I'm not even want to call it name, but it is a one spice. You don't know. Lemongrass boiled tea.
We have a couple peppers, so can you come up more?
Yeah.
You come again.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yes, I.
Yeah. Alright, then I clan, you know.
What you mean? The pan can farm, you know?
The young king I run up and down and stuff.
Pumpkin a boil through it.
And the young one just a rough up.
Yeah.
Yeah, pumpkin up on tree, I just a shot.
Where the pumpkin there? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, at this me I talk about farming. Yeah, we have to plant. No?
About spinach out here saying I'm show them.
Spinach.
Yeah, man, natural life, but they just set place in the stuff.
For real, for real. For real, Sir Devon. What you mean? The farm look beautiful. You have to plant.
We have a good old spinach, yeah.
Yeah. For real.
You know?
Yeah, for real, for real.
Sweet potato.
Yeah. Sweet potato look nice.
Yeah. Banana plant.
Yeah, banana I'm planting.
I just couple of flowers out of my day then.
Yeah, me understand.
Boost them thing at all. You know, we don't have security, but we're not lazy, you know?
You got some man have to do something. We have sugar cane.
We have to eat food and
Yeah, man, food have to eat, so we have to plant. Yes, I.
some more young thing over here, so,
How I say?
some more young thing there in the place, so.
Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, we on the farm with Devon.
Yeah, so.
Yes.
Come up. And then, yeah.
Yes, my viewers. Nice pumpkin.
The next one's supposed to be somewhere, but we need to go for our safe step on the vine.
Okay.
Other further down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers.
I want to tell you, say, you have a root run and some more, you look for machine there and show them. I want to tell you, there's a man thing first time to start with you. Alright, look. Spinach.
Spinach.
Again.
Yeah. This is a different type of spinach.
This is the green one, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
you understand?
The one here, the green one, you just click down there.
Yeah.
Cut them up, wash them off and cut them up like color. This is a shiny yam there.
Yeah, Chinese yam.
Shiny yam.
Yes, my viewers, Chinese yam.
Yeah.
Alright, where's the going to the key now? Yeah.
I'm see it a ground. A little piece of cane
My
about 3
God.
giant panic.
You got some man.
Panic good, I'm cut it. When I'm plant one root down there, so I cut 4 out tight already. More you come count them, make them sick up.
My God. Yes, man. Have to plant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have to
Alright,
plant.
I'm gonna drop piece there, so and put piece
And
over
piece here.
Look how I cut 4 out of this. Them eat them off of Texas already, cause them say them nice. I freeze them and send them up.
You got some
And
man.
look how much in this root you know.
My God.
Out of one
At a
little
3,
piece of cake.
6, 9, 12. My God.
And look at
Yeah.
this one you know.
This have been a lot more.
Yeah. These are lettuce.
Yeah, lettuce.
But the land too strong for them. Them not them a grow out of, you know.
Okay, me understand.
Them a grow till them out seed you know, but
Yeah.
you can see them a pull up and set up plant. Just use them make my green juice with my cucumber.
Yeah.
Look, pop chow and my spinach and my ginger. And I just make my green juice. Right? Give me energy and I pump up them for them.
How you mean? How you mean?
I have my grabber, you know. We are going back around. I have my grabber.
You got some man.
Yeah,
For real.
you know.
For real. For real, sir. With up to plant.
YouTube, Facebook people, you know.
Yeah. Up to plant, man. Up to plant, you know. It's all about farming. Yeah, man. Jamaican Farmers Hut. You know? Yeah, man. We have okra. Okra. Yes, Devon. Yeah. All type of yam.
Just take my time and just spend the hours. Them a Chinese yam, them a just start text it.
Yeah.
When they yam a beer, you can't use your hand to dig them because be a maca they run in the root. It push out be a maca.
Okay.
All one hill, I call them 2 vine and so. And beer, yeah, I'm going to pull up.
Right round.
But then some of them we have pound, some we have pound and some, but they're sweet. You can't cook no for them and eat them and feel like a cream and eat them.
Understand, understand.
To them, I'm sweet.
Yeah, yeah.
Them to go in and stick car, you can't put them in hot water.
True.
If you put them in hot water, then not go cook.
Okay.
Put them, and you can't put them in the sun and no cook. They have to be in a cool place and you take them out and you peel them and put them in a cold water and watch them because they will just melt out. So we put them yam there in a sieve because the yam they make the sieve.
Sieve. Okay. It's all about the shiny yam. Yes, I. The real man. We're upon the farm with Sir Devon. Sweet pepper. Sorrel. Sorrel is here, my viewers. Sorrel. Sweet pepper. Yeah, man. Pepper the pan tree there. Yes, I. For real. Melon, me people. Yeah.
I take and reap this up beer. It was,
I agree.
reap it already, but I never root it up. I just cut it way down.
Yeah.
And I see it spring back, so I say original thing come back again.
For real.
After we send it to them.
For real.
Tree can stay in a ground all 3-4 years and you know dead.
And you know dead. Yeah, man. Jaja.
Rastafari.
For real, man.
Never have you cucumber, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, hungry. with thing
That me I talk about once to plant. Yeah. For real. Melon, melon, my viewers, melon. Wow. Melon is here. My God, my viewers. You have to plant, my people. Yeah. Yeah, me understand. Okay.
Just a bus, you know. See you next one.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. Understand. This is cassava, sweet cassava.
Yes, sweet cassava.
God. Yes, my people. The melon them a run. Melon again.
Another size, yeah.
Pass a go on with things, man. You have to plant.
Yeah.
Yes, my people. It's all about planting. You know what I mean? What? We have tomato here also. And pop chai. Oh, Devon now ramp. With him spare time. Yeah.
I just couple of times through me not lazy and I love my food. Because you have to eat what you grow and grow what you want to eat.
Said where it's set up, man. For real. It's all about natural is the mystic. The mystic is natural. I want to go vital, you have to go vital.
Rastafari is the Almighty, you know, but enough people don't know that still, you know.
For real, for real, for real.
Enough of them lost in Babylon.
For real.
But it's a true and nice King Selassie as the royal highness. I have to do the thing and
Jaja.
hail the kings of all kings. Because he paved the way for make I can't do this. Because one time we couldn't do this. Because Bucky Marshall would hang with us Spanish
Yeah.
town, so we are capturing land and a plan in a ancient days.
Jano Star.
So I know this the king, you know, Emperor Selassie and bring no blessing, you know.
For real, for real.
Alright, over here now. We can't plant out there so we don't look at decorator.
Oh, yeah.
Look so nice on the ground. Look how them decorator look nice.
Okra, my
Okra.
people.
You see
Okra. Okra, my people. All
next
up
couple
here.
week from here, sir.
It's
That's
okra.
so unique and neat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. 'Cause I want to tell you, say, all me I grow, my name knows that it's so vital to human body. You know?
Yeah, man, yeah, man, okra.
From your head to your toe, you know, okra clean and build, you know.
Yeah, for real, for real. For real, man.
Yeah, man, and you know.
For real, Sir Devon. Yeah, just the spare time.
And fuck it up, just take my time and do it. Because I always do it and I just say take your time like a youth because you will reach.
It's simple as that. You're going to reach. Yeah, man, you're going to eat. Yeah.
You see, true, I know say King Selassie is the blessing in my life. That's why my love just keep on shining bright, you know.
For real,
like
man.
The rising sun, you know.
Yes, I.
Yeah, aye.
For real, man. Trust me, Devon. The farm.
Natural mystic moving in the earth, you know.
Yeah, man, the farm nice. Pumpkin is here, my viewers. Once you plant, yeah?
Young King.
Yeah. Yeah, man, this is the next lovely one.
Yeah.
My viewers, alright? The farm nice. So, yeah, you don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. And we are about to hit up the spot here, this nice plantation of Devon. Give me the next name, them now.
Cream soda. Rogue ranking. And that's why me have all my tune them, you know, like me that say. And this one and name the banana go through there. Ranking him no response who them. Them a go get burning at the curfew there. Me no response who Thunderball fi burn out the killers. Go on like they love the gun more than the emperor. Merciless all us muddy that a fella. A lightning a go burn it in a merciful fella then. Who that a road they scare them crew. It seem like scare one gone over scare two. So me take another walk in a shocking vibes crew. Me sight being him and I run from calling. Then no say me nah, don't say me can't. Burn a fire upon the one lady saw show. She X-rated and raw. Again me sing this one and the burn. I will leave a thing you know.
Yes, Devon, you're bad. You're bad, Devon. Alright, you don't know what it's all about. We're gonna leave the farm now, so Sir Devon.
A blessing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I saw the thing said.
Yeah, man. My viewers and subscribers, yeah, we are half the farm now, Sir Devon. You don't know it's all about, as you can see, his spare time is this farm, alright? Yeah. So my people, my name is Everton. Remember, Jamaican Farmers Hut. If you don't subscribe, the notification bell, you're not gonna see the next video coming out, alright? So my name is Everton. Peace. I'm out.